Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 25, OV 89. मशिदीत बाबांसमोर उघडता आंबे निघाले सुंदर, होते एकंदर 300 वर, फळे ती मधुर घमघमित. When opened in the masjid before Baba, the mangoes were found to be lovely. There were more than 300, and the fruit was full of sweet aroma. बाबांनी ती अवघी पाहिली, माधवरावापाशी दिधली, तयांनी 4 कोळंब्यात टाकिली, उरली ती नेली बरोबर. Baba saw all of them and gave the lot to Madhavrao, who put 4 in the kolamba, earthen pot in which Baba put all the food, and took the rest away. फळे पडता कोळंब्यात, बाबा मुखे काय उद्गारत, फळे ती दामुअण्णा प्रित्यर्थ, असू दे तेथ पडलेली. As soon as the fruit was put in the kolamba, Baba said, "Those fruits are for Damu Anna. Let them be there." यावर जाता 2 तास, आले पूजा करावयास, दामू अण्णा मशिदीस, पुष्पसंभारास घेऊनी. 2 hours later, Damu Anna arrived at the masjid to offer worship with flowers, etc. तयान पूर्ववृत्त ते कळले, बाबा मोठ्याने बोलू लागले, आंबे दाम्याचे न ते आपुले, खावया टपले लोक जरी. He had no idea of what had happened earlier. Baba began to speak loudly. Those mangoes are for Damya and not ours, even though people are casting covetous eyes upon them. ज्याचे आंबे त्यानेच घ्यावे, किमर्थ आपणा कोणाचे व्हावे, ज्याचे असतील त्यानेची खावे, मरुनी जावे खावोनी. He should take the mangoes for whom they are meant. Why should we have what is for another? He alone should eat for whom they are meant and then die after eating them. प्रसादची हा ऐसिया भावे, अण्णा स्वीकारिती स्वभावे, विपरीतार्था लागी न भ्यावे, पूर्ण हे ठावे अण्णास. Anna naturally accepted them as being prasad. Anna knew fully well not to misinterpret the words as being inauspicious. पूजा सारोनी अण्णा गेले, पुनश्च येऊनी पुसू लागले, मोठी सखी थाकतीस ही फळे, अर्पू न कळे कोणास. Anna finished the worship and left. He came again and asked, "I do not know to which wife I should give these fruits, the older or the younger." बाबा वदती धाकटीला, दे 8 मुले होतील तिजला, 4 मुलगे 4 मुलीला, ही आम्रलीला प्रसवेल. Baba replied, "Give to the younger one. She will have 8 children, 4 boys and 4 girls, all caused by this Amra mango Leela." पोटी नाही पुत्र संतान, म्हणून करावे बहुप्रयत्न, साधू संतांचे करावे भजन, कृपाशीर्वचन मिळवावे. Since he had no children, he had made a lot of efforts. He had invoked saints and sages to get their blessings. यदर्थ साधू संतांचा नाद, मिळवावया ग्रहप्रसाद, ज्योतिर्विद्येचा लागला छंद, जाहले ज्योतिर्विद स्वयमेव. He danced attention on saints and sages for this purpose, and to propitiate his planets, he even tried astrology to such a degree that he became an astrologer himself.